In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get the absolute best trial offer for Webinarjam. Hi everyone, it's Kevin from Solopreneur, and if you're watching this video, you're undoubtedly considering Webinarjam to run your webinars with. You know about the power of live video and what it can do for your business, and Webinarjam is one of the best webinar softwares when it comes to not just features, but also pricing. And if you look at some of the competitors, the pricing is just a fraction of theirs. But one thing about Webinarjam is it doesn't actually offer a trial when you first go to the website. Let me show you that. So here we are on the Webinarjam site, and you can watch a demo and you can get started. But when you go to get started, as you can see, you sort of have to pay up front. Now they do have a great 30-day risk-free money-back guarantee, which kind of de-risks things a little bit for you, but you're still paying up front to try the product. And that's why I want to show you how you can get the best trial offer possible. And that right now is a 14-day trial for $1. There are no free trials. There are no 30 or 60-day trials. You might see people trying to trick you with that sort of stuff. But as a Webinarjam partner, I can tell you the best possible trial is 14 days. And I'm going to show you how to activate that right now. So all you have to do is click the link in the description of this video and it will take you to the Webinarjam homepage. But now you'll see that you have the ability to start a trial. So click on start your trial and then you can click whichever tier makes sense for your business. And remember, you can change it at any time. And you can see it's 14 days for $1. And yes, you still have the 30-day risk-free money-back guarantee, which is awesome because it de-risks things even further for you. Now, I will say Webinarjam, you can get set up in literally like 1 minute. So 14 days is a lot of time to definitely get out a few webinars and start seeing how it works for you. I have more videos in the description below for Webinarjam and even EverWebinar, because a lot of people trying out Webinarjam, they're also thinking about EverWebinar. So check the links in the description below if you're doing that as well. And if you found this video helpful, give me a thumbs up so I know to make more Webinarjam and EverWebinar type content for you. Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing to the channel and we'll see you in the next one. Take care.